Welcome back to Mass Study Friends. Friends, today we are going to practice the topic has to and have to. Friends, I think English can be learnt by anyone. Why did I say this? Because English is just a language. You know what? If you know the basics, if you know how to make a sentence, if you know proper structure, and if you practice properly, then you can speak English within 2 or 3 months. So that is why today we have these kids. I have taught them for last 8 days, and today they are going to show you that what they have learnt. So audience will ask them questions. You have to listen to them and they will respond to the audience. So today the class is going to be amazing. Let's see how many of them are going to speak properly. So watch the video carefully, and if you like the hard work of these students, please subscribe our channel and stay connected. So let's start.
Hello friends, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. My name is Sojasvi Bhadoria. Today my topic is has to, have to. Please ask me the question.
मुझे स्कूल जाना है.
Today my sentence is मुझे स्कूल जाना है. I have to go to school. I do not have to go to school. Do I have to go to school? Do I not have to go to school? In past मुझे स्कूल जाना था. I had to go to school. I did not have to go to school. Did I have to go to school? Did I not have to go to school? In present, in future मुझे स्कूल जाना पड़ेगा. I will have to go to school. I will not have to go to school. Will I have to go to school? Will I not have to go to school?
Hello everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. My name is Yashasvi Birla. Ask me question.
मुझे पानी पीना है.
My question is मुझे पानी पीना है. In present, I have to drink water. I do not have to drink water. Do I have to drink water? Do I not have to drink water? In past, मुझे पानी पीना था. I had to drink water. I do not have to drink. I did not have to drink water. Did I have to drink water? Did I not have to drink water? In future, मुझे पानी पीना होगा. I will have to drink water. I will not have to drink water. Will I have to drink water? Will I not have to drink water?
Hi everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. My name is Harshit Birla. Today's my topic is has to and have to. Please ask me question.
हमें क्रिकेट खेलना है.
My sentence is हमें क्रिकेट खेलना है. In present, we have to play cricket. We do not have to play cricket. Do we have to play cricket? Do we not have to play cricket? In past, हमें क्रिकेट खेलना था. We had to play cricket. We did not have to play cricket. Did we have to play cricket? Did we not have to play cricket? In future, हमें क्रिकेट खेलना होगा. We will have to play cricket. We will not have to play cricket. Will we have to play cricket? Will we not have to play cricket? Thank you.
Hello friends, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. My name is Vedant Gurjar. Ask me question.
मुझे किताब खोलना है.
My question is मुझे किताब खोलना है. Present. I have to open book. I do not have to open book. Do I have to open book? Do I not have to open book? In past मुझे किताब खोलना था. I had to open book. I did not have to open book. Did I have to open book? Did I not have to open book? Future मुझे किताब खोलना पड़ेगा. I will have to open book. I will not have to open book. Will I have to open book? Will I not have to open book? Thank you.
Hi everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. My name is Krishna Birla. My topic is has to, have to. Ask me question.
मुझे नदी में कूदना है.
My sentence is मुझे नदी में कूदना है. In present, I have to jump into the river. I do not have to jump into the river. Do I have to jump into the river? Do I not have to jump into the river? In past, मुझे नदी में कूदना था. I had to jump into the river. I did not have to jump into the river. Did I have to jump into the river? Did I not have to jump into the river? In future, मुझे नदी में कूदना पड़ेगा. I will have to jump into the river. I will not have to jump into the river. Will I have to jump into the river? Will I not have to jump into the river?
Hello friends, good morning.
Good morning.
My
अंशु पटेल, प्लीज आस्क मी क्वेश्चन।
मुझे टीवी देखना है।
माई क्वेश्चन इज मुझे टीवी देखना है। आई हैव टू वॉच टीवी, आई डू नॉट हैव टू वॉच टीवी, डू आई हैव टू वॉच टीवी, डू आई नॉट हैव टू वॉच टीवी। इन पास्ट मुझे टीवी देखना था। आई हैड टू वॉच टीवी, आई डिड नॉट हैव टू वॉच टीवी, डिड आई हैव टू वॉच टीवी, डिड आई नॉट हैव टू वॉच टीवी। इन फ्यूचर मुझे टीवी देखना पड़ेगी, मुझे टीवी देखना पड़ेगी। आई विल हैव टू वॉच टीवी, I will not have to watch TV. Will I have to watch TV? Will I not have to watch TV? Thank you.
Hi everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
We are fine.
I am also fine. Today my topic is has to have to. Please ask me question.
हमें घर साफ करना पड़ता है।
My sentence is हमें घर साफ करना पड़ता है। In present we have to clean home. We do not have to clean home. Do we have to clean home? Do we not have to clean home? In past हमें घर साफ करना पड़ता था। We had to clean home. We did not have to clean home. Did we have to clean home? Did we not have to clean home? In future हमें घर साफ करना पड़ेगा। We will have to clean home. We will not have to clean home. Will we have to clean home? Will we not have to clean home? Thank you.
Hello friends. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Today my topic is has to have to. Please ask me question.
मुझे घर बनाना है।
My sentence is मुझे घर बनाना है। In present I have to build a home. I do not have to build a home. Do I have to build a home? Do I not have to build a home? In past मुझे घर बनाना था। I had to build a home. I did not have to build a home. Did I have to build a home? Did I not have to build a home? In future मुझे घर बनाना होगा। I will have build a home. I will not have to build a home. Will I have build a home? Will I not have to build a home? Thank you.
Hello friends.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Today's my topic has to and have to. Ask me questions.
उन्हें तेज दौड़ना है।
My sentence is उन्हें तेज दौड़ना है in present. They have to run fast. They do not have to run fast. Do they have to run fast? Do they not have to run fast. In past उन्हें तेज दौड़ना था। They had to run fast. They did not have to run fast. Did they have to run fast? Did they not have to run fast? In futures उन्हें तेज दौड़ना पड़ेगा। They will have to run fast. They will not have to run fast. Will they have to run fast? Will they not have to run fast?
Hello guys, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. My name is Yuvraj Birla. Today's my topic is use has to have to. Please ask me question.
उससे अंग्रेजी बोलनी पड़ती है।
My sentence is उसे अंग्रेजी बोलनी पड़ती है in present. He has to speak English. He does not have to speak English. Does he have to speak English? Does he not have to speak English? In past उसे अंग्रेजी बोलनी पड़ती थी। He had to speak English. He did not have to speak English. Did he have to speak English? Did he not have to speak English? In future उसे अंग्रेजी बोलनी पड़ेगी। He will have to speak English. He will not have to speak English. Will he have to speak English? Will he have to speak English? Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I'm also fine. My name is Ram Birla. My today topic is has and has to. Ask me question.
मुझे खाना खाना है।
My question is मुझे खाना खाना है। In past, in present, I have to eat food. I do not have to eat food. Do I have to eat food? Do I not have to eat food? In present, in past मुझे खाना खाना था। I had to eat food. I did not have to eat food. Did I have to eat food? Did I not have to eat food? In future मुझे खाना खाना होगा। I will have to eat food. I will not have to eat food. Will I have to eat food? Will I not have to eat food? Thank you.